And Alessandra is getting stressed out because it's important to eat this pasta when it's juicy and not dry. Welcome to A Taste of Italy. My name is Alessandra and I'm gonna take you around Italy to discover 8 delicious regional pasta recipes. Today we are traveling to Veneto region, which many of you know as the region of Venice. There I met one of my favorites of all the pasta dishes you can find on the actual planet. Bigoli is made with a duck ragu, but as it takes longer and also because I eat meat just on special occasions, I'm gonna show you how to make another traditional dish called Bigoli in salsa. For this recipe you will need 1 white onion, medium size, finely diced, chopped. Pour some of the olive oil into a non-frying sticking pan. What is important in this recipe is that you don't fry the onion, but the onions need to be softened, like a creamy onion. Now I'm gonna add some water to prevent the onion from drying. And we're gonna lower the temperature down, medium high, and we're gonna cover it. And you leave the onions to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After, you add the 5 anchovies until they dissolve. Please use Cantabrian ones because they are the best ones you can find out there. And you know what? They've been brought by Sicilians to Spain. So, or you find the fillet of the anchovies like this one, or you can also use the anchovy paste, which also is gonna dissolve it quicker in the onion cream. Stir it well, and as you can see by adding the fillets, the color of the sauce has changed. During this process you can add some white wine, but don't tell to a Venetian person because they will tell you off. They think that it gives a little bit of acidity to the actual dish, but I personally like it, and also it depends on what kind of white wine you add to the sauce. While we are waiting for our onion to get softened, we're gonna chop some parsley. A friend of mine, Venetian chef, told me that if I want to make something more sophisticated, I would need to do a reduction of parsley and transform it in a gel. But for now, you're just gonna sprinkle some parsley to your sauce. We're gonna taste it. They still need to cook a little bit, so I'll pass around 15 minutes. So I'm assuming another 5 minutes for them to be ready. And the saltiness is quite good, so we don't have to add extra salt. But it's up to you and up to what kind of fillets of anchovy you put in your sauce. So now that the water is boiling, we're gonna add some sale grosso. As you can see, it's a different type of salt. It's a little bit thicker of the finer salt, and we need to add it when the water boils. Now I put the bigoli in and let it cook for 2-3 minutes as they are quite fresh. While we are cooking our bigoli, we are lowering the temperature of the sauce, so it's cooling a little bit down before we add the bigoli to the sauce before plating it. So good. Just 2 ingredients: onion and anchovies. Well, one of the best anchovies, and parsley, but it's just delicious. The best way to know if your pasta is ready, traditionally, is to taste it. Need a few minutes. Drain the pasta and add it to the frying pan. Toast to coat evenly in the anchovy and the onion, and serve immediately with a sprinkle of chopped parsley and some cracked pepper. This is for 2 people, so 250 grams. So I would say 125 grams per person, but for some people it's a lot. But believe me, when you taste Bigoli, you don't wanna, you want it more. Et voila! It's important to eat this pasta when it's juicy and not dried. So please, once you make it, eat it straight away. I hope you enjoyed this little taste of the Veneto region. I can't wait to take you to the next destination. For now, if you like this video, please share, like, comment it and make your own Bigoli. I can't wait to see your beautiful creations.